how to print photos at CVS. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you want to pick the photos you want to print on your phone. Make sure they are saved in your camera roll and not just on social media. The second step will be heading over to the nearest CVS that has a photo kiosk, and most do. You will then find the red photo printing machine or kiosk inside the store. You want to connect your phone. You can plug it in with a cable, or you can also connect via Bluetooth or sometimes send wirelessly. On the screen, you want to browse through your photo folders and tap the ones you want to print. You will choose the size like 4x6, 5x7 or 8x10 and how many copies you want. Some kiosks even let you crop, zoom or add simple edits before printing. Once you're done, you want to confirm your order, pay right there at the kiosk or at the front register depending on the store setup. You will wait a few minutes and your photos will print out. Collect your glossy prints ready to frame, share, or scrapbook. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.